Today I'm going to teach you how to make this egg twister mechanism. The size is marked as shown. Let's take out this one that has already been drawn. 13 times 18 cardboard. Put these. Remove these 3 parts. Pay attention when engraving this circle. We want make the engraving as smooth as possible. Otherwise, it is easy to get stuck when rotating. And just cut the door out here. I drew a little rounded corners. It's more beautiful this way. You can also choose according to your preference. Change the shape of this door. But the size is as shown at the beginning of the video. Not too big, not too small. So one of us. The cardboard in front is ready. Print it like this. Take out our little disc. Here, cut it along these 4 lines. After cutting, that's it. Give him the 2 opposite fans like this. Break on top. Is that so? Pinch it more smoothly. Pinch both sides like this. Stuff it in. Put this in this hole. That's all. Flatten it. And you have a rotating structure. Take out. Take out. 2 millimeter note. Why 2? Because of 1, it compares. It's relatively thin. It's not hard enough. It may be when rotating, stuck or cracked or something. We take out the glue and paste the 2 together. Take out one of them with a radius of 3.5 centimeters in diameter. Small disc. Take this thin note. Take a cylindrical one, just our pen. Surround him like this. Make it round like this. He is surrounded by a circle. Pinch it. Take it out. Face pinching round. A little round. Surround with this thin note. Surround this radius 3.5. A circle with a diameter of 3.5. Surround it like this, but not all. Surround us because this is 2. Carrying this little disc of twisted eggs. Past things. So we're going to keep 3 centimeters to keep a 3.5 centimeters one. Let's take out the paper ruler. From him to here. Take a look at where 3.5 is located. Probably around here. Then let's take scissors and clip this up for it. Is that so? Cut it off and throw away what is extra. Take out the glue. Dab a circle around the edge of this piece of paper. Don't apply it all, apply it enough. Note. Just stick it in place. If there is any excess, wipe it with your hands. Take out our. Wrap him up with a note. Pay attention. So it's surrounded. At the bottom, it looks like this. But this is definitely not strong enough. So we just a little bit more glue on the bottom here, around the circle. Let's set it aside and wait for it to dry. Why tell me why this note? It's 2 millimeters wide. Because of our. The cut cardboard is 2.5 millimeters thick. He is used as a border prop up. This egg twister must have a certain thickness. This is the rotating part. It must not exceed the thickness of this note. Otherwise he will be like this. If you put it up, if you turn it, it won't move. Therefore, we should be less than the width of the outer frame note. If everyone's note on the outer frame, make it wider, then this one can also be a little wider. If more detailed, then this one should be finer. We take out a transparent piece of paper like this. Try to be as clean as possible. The one without creases will be more beautiful. We took out the double-sided tape. Mine is 0.5 millimeter. 0.05 cm wide note. Turn this over. This is like this. Turn it over in the back. Paste. Stick it all around. We'll turn over the extra part of the border. Cut it out. Okay, that's it after you cut it. Okay. We have seen this. Kill it and then you can put this together first. Take out another 3.5 centimeters circle diameter. Paste it like this. Notice the center of the circle. The center of the circle should be aligned with the center of this circle. We are in these two small fan with glue on it. Stick this circle on. Compress. Take out this circle with a diameter of 3 centimeters. I have pasted several layers of this. Add a thickness like this. Everyone can also use that kind of express carton. The kind that is made of thick tile paper. Let's stick this circle on top of this. Okay, flip over. Put again. Done card slot. Art groove like this. Paint these two fans well. Attention! The center of the circle here, it must be aligned with the center of the circle. We can take one. Take the pen and come. Mark it. Pay attention when posting. Do you want to align? Take it apart and take a look. So you see me turn front. He can also follow behind. And we took these strips of paper that had been cut out. Use this double-sided tape again. Put them like this. Let's take a look first and compare where it is roughly. Put it. Engrave. Cut it. Then use double-sided tape to put this. Paste. Check if it gets stuck when twisting. Will it be stopped? If not, let's complete. The same goes for this other side. After these two edges are pasted, let's put the top here again. This location is probably left here. 4 centimeters position. Stick this hard note on this part. Let's compare. Okay, then here. It doesn't go beyond the edge of the circle. Here's another long note. Let's measure it too. Probably. That's how long it goes. Such a framework would be fine. Put this part of the rotation. The mouth is diagonally downward. Diagonal position here. Let's take a closer look. 2 notes. One goes from here to here. The other one goes from here to here. Such a one. Then we put it on. Okay, such a complete framework, we are done. On these notes, you put glue on these pieces of paper. Then take out 18 times 13 cardboard for another base plate. Let's align it like this and stick it on. This is what you see from the front. A framework and we're done. Take out 6 pieces of 250 grams cardboard cut out. A circle with a radius of 1.5 centimeter. 6. Why does it have to be so thick? Because of these 6 circles. This weight of cardboard. Only 6 circles off. Just enough. 2 millimeters thick. We glue these 6 together. I've done it before. A few, 5 in total. Everyone can also find it here. Do some decoration on the original film, post photos or write. You can also put stickers on it. We start from the opening left before is here. Stuff it in. Okay, then we can give it a twist. There you you go, okay? You can put it on like this. We can also do it here. Take a piece of paper and cover it like this. Keep him from leaking out. You open one that is about the same width as him. Check it out. I'm 1 centimeter from you. Scratch. At the 3 millimeters position. One more line. Fold it like this. Fold it again. There are too many parts at the bottom here. You can cut them off a little. Okay, apply glue on this 1 centimeter position. The structure of the lid is done well. We take out Velcro. In this way, we have done a good job of such a free order machine. Try twisting it.